Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I start exactly at 1:50. It's already 1:29 now, and the map shows I'll arrive there at 1:47, so I have 3 minutes to spare, you know, to park the car, walk into the office, this and that. I woke up not so long ago, you know. I slept a little late yesterday, but obviously I had enough rest. But like when I woke up, you know, I looked at my duty. It said, you know, like I didn't see what time it finished. I thought it was going to be one of those long days, you know, so I wasn't looking forward to it. Like I thought it was going to be like from 1:50 to like 1 o'clock at night time. But then I expanded the duty and I see I finish at 9 o'clock. So I start at 1:50 and finish at 9 o'clock. That's literally like 7 hours and 10 minutes. That's like as good as it gets, you know. They don't give me this kind of duties often, but that's like the perfect duty, you know. It doesn't get into your head. All I'm gonna do is one trip, which is gonna be like 2 hours and a half maybe. Come back, a break, and then, you know, another trip to Manchester city centre and back on 36-37, and I'm done for the day. Because obviously I'm not a company driver. I don't work for the company directly. I work for the agency, and usually they give us all the worst duties, like the 10-hour, 11-hour, 12-hour duties. And those shorter duties, like 7 hours, 8 hours, they give to their own drivers, the company drivers. Because obviously, because us, the agency drivers, even though this duty is 7 hours, I am contracted to get paid 10 hours. So even if the duty was only 5 hours, I'd still get paid for the full 10 hours. So every week, 5 days a week, the work is guaranteed, and 10 hours per day, so 50 hours guaranteed. Whereas the company drivers, I believe they only get paid for, like, they're contracted to get 32 hours or something like that, not more than 40 hours. And yeah, obviously we all have the choice to do overtime as well. But on the days that I do overtime, like after 5 days, then I only get paid whatever I do. There's another one of my buses, B Network 59. Yeah, this is the perfect time to travel, just before the traffic starts to build up. Obviously it's 1:30, but if I came at 1:30, then people, they would start making their way to the schools, or some people would have finished work, and, you know, the traffic would start building up, and I could have been late. Last few days it was quite warm, but today it's a little colder. That's a nice Jaguar SUV. I'm really thinking about buying a bike. I've been thinking about it like for the last few weeks, you know, so that I can travel on the bike to go to work, to commute to work. And I think it would make great videos as well. Like, imagine right now if I was on a bike instead of the car. It'd be so much more like entertaining than this. The only problem is storing the bike, because I don't have a garage in my house. Yeah, I do have a little backyard, but I don't know if I can fit through the gate. The gate is very small. I don't know if the handles will fit through it. It should, you know, it should. But I'm taking my time, you know, to make this decision. I don't want to rush into it. This car is driving very, very slow for the, even the lorries are overtaking him. Oh no, there's a car in front of me, that's why. You know, usually, like whenever I'm not recording, I'd probably overtake this lorry and just, you know, I'd be gone by now. But just because I'm making a video, just for the video's sake, you know, I don't want to drive. I just want to chill, you know what I mean? Like, I don't want to go overtake and do anything crazy. Speed camera right there. Actually, never mind, this is way too slow. I need to overtake these lorries. So the lorries, they're not allowed in the right hand lane even to overtake. So this lorry or any lorries, they're not allowed to get on the right hand lane. A lot of drivers, they don't know that. Not a lot, but some drivers, because I have seen a few lorries on the right hand side, even they shouldn't be there. This can be very dangerous, because then the cars will start undertaking them in their lorries' blind spots. I really need to work on my communication skills, honestly. Like, I just don't know how to talk in the videos, you know, like how to interact and what to say. And when it comes to making videos, this is my like weakest point, you know, just talking to the camera. But probably, I imagine, like after I make another, let's say 100 videos, I'll become so good at it, you know, because a lot of people who make videos and YouTube videos and, you know, talk like podcasts and things like that, when they first start off, some people are just naturally good, right? Whereas other people, let's say like me, are just not good at talking, you know. But over the time, you know, if you look at the channel, like whoever that person is, if you look at the old videos and look at the new videos and compare, you'll see the difference from the first video and their recent videos. It's almost like a completely different person. tree on the. Now I can go back on the left hand lane and just relax. There's nothing for me to do. Just put it on cruise control. I don't know what he wants to do. Does he want to overtake? Go on then. Don't be shy. Go on. It's too slow. I'm doing 50 on a 70. Come on now. Back on the cruise control. At 70 miles an hour. Overtake this guy. I'll just go back in. Guy's gonna slow him down. He's overtaking the other car as well. Even this guy's driving too slow, even though there's no one in front of him. He could go. Cruise control. You see, a lot of people will be saying, oh, why don't you go back on the left hand lane now? You're hogging the right hand lane. Look, if I go there now, I'm going to end at the back of this van. See the distance between me and the van. So what would have been the point of me going to the left hand lane if I would have to change it back into the right hand lane? But yeah, now we can go into the left hand lane because the speed limit is 50 and everyone's doing the limit. Yeah, this guy's doing way more than 50 and they've got those cameras in there as well. See that yellow camera on the right? It checks the average speed. That's for the other side, and ours is on this side on the left. Look. So as you're passing through the camera, like about now, it checks your speed, whether you're doing like 50, 55, 45, whatever you're doing. And after you go past all the cameras on this road, like whenever you exit, then we'll calculate your average speed. Like if your average speed was, let's say, 60 miles an hour, then 100% you'd get a fine, you know, points on your license and fine and stuff. Should be there in just 6 minutes now. I'll have 2 minutes to spare. yeah, if you have any video ideas, let me know in the comments, like anything, because all I'm doing nowadays is just making the same old video of me going to work, and it's just, I don't know, man, it's getting boring. I might do like car reviews and stuff, you know. Whenever I drive a new car, I'll make a review of it. Like I need to make a video of this one as well. I haven't got a, because this car is very good, honestly. Like, look at the MPG. Again, average of 55 miles per gallon. That is actually really good. And the car runs really good as well, nice and smooth. Because I know a lot of people, they want to upgrade their car into something that's like very good in fuel, nice to drive. Never mind. I'll be stuck there. Might as well just go straight. I think I'll make it. The light's green. I think I'll make it. Why did it slow down now? Van driver. That's it. I made it. That's it. And I'm 471. I know how to drive that bus. I mean, I know how to do that route. I just learned it like 2 weeks ago. For more than a year, never knew. But it's literally just straightforward. It takes like an hour and a half to go to the terminus, and then an hour and a half back. A little bit less than that. Depends on the traffic. Oh yeah, they got those new buses. You can't really see with the digital mirrors. Which I will make a video about. Yeah, I really like the steering on this car. Look, I can literally move it with the one finger. Overtake him. And I'm here. I'm going to end the video for today. I'll see you next time.